Welcome to another video by Dale Wheatley, founder at theoptionshunter.com. Subscribe to our channel at the end of this video, and let's start your journey to financial freedom.
Good evening, everyone. It is 4:35 or afternoon, 4:35 p.m. And it's Wednesday, May 7th, day of the Fed meeting, in case you're watching that. So remember what we said about the UVXY, the volatility index on the 2-hour chart, and then we got a lift on it, right? And then you have to look at the lower time frames. Remember, look, see what do we have here? See, we don't have anything really to speak of. Coming into today, we had a little bit of a 2-minute chart pattern that had a little bit of lift to it, and that was today, about 1:30 today, before the Fed meeting, where they made their announcement about a half hour before. So if we had had the normal class from 1 o'clock till 4 o'clock, then we would have been able to see this at about 1:30. So 2-minute chart, not anything earth-shattering, but it's a 2-minute chart, and it did give the ability to lift at least volatility for a period of time until about 2:15. So that led to a market sell-off, maybe. Remember, so 1:30, 1:15, something like that. So market was at, let me see, about 562, close to 562. And it sold off to 556 in that period of time. So that was somewhat of an opportunity to add to yesterday's. Let's see, 25, 5, today's 7th. I'll put 5 at 5. Just to, well, this is what we're talking about right here. So they weren't that cheap on the 555s. So they were 40 cents, and they moved up to $1.69. So that's about 4 times your money. That's not too bad. Look at a lower time frame, since we have an event that we have to contend with. Even 3 strike prices lower. That's pushing it, in a market like we have. That's not very resolute in making a decision. So these went from 23 cents up to 92 cents. So it's about a little over 4 times your money, about the same thing, so and the 550 puts were still 15 cents, so that's still pretty expensive. So you have, reason why you have to be quick on these things is because it may do what you expect it to do, but it won't last long. So you could tell that by looking at the pattern. So 550 puts, so from 16 cents or they're about 15 cents up to 59 cents, about the same, 4 times your money. So that's not that great of a return, considering looking at the SPY. See, 550, that'd be $6 lower than the lowest it managed to get to. Be way down here somewhere. So, that's really going a bit to try to make any money. So I don't advise that. And QQQ, let's see what it did. They had 12 cents, at 116 on the 470 puts for it. So that went from 12 cents to 43 cents. So didn't even make about a little over 3 times your money. So that's not good at all. And I see how quickly it dropped off. See, because if it doesn't keep maintaining the pressure, then buying something so far out of the money, that's it. See, here's the pressure was good till here, and then where's the pressure then? See, no. So you have to sell if you expect to make a profit. But you can make a profit, just won't make much. We're used to seeing things in the multi-hundreds and multi-thousands of percent. So, where is that today? I don't see it. Russell 2000, a little bit different, maybe. So, on the 2-minute chart, let's see if that it doesn't really extend to higher time frames. That's you can adequately take advantage of. It's not too good of a pattern, but on the 5-minute chart and on that, so it's not too bad, but then again, it's close to the end of the day. So 596 or 196 calls would be the only one that you could consider. $197 calls. They went from 9 cents up to 99 cents. So in just a few minutes. So it goes to show that it can be done as long as you have the right pattern behind something. So, even though you may give up the ghost and think that nothing's going to happen, something did happen. And it happened quickly, as it should. The perfect double bottom, V-shaped configuration, perfect double bottom with the technical picture that is sharply higher than it was before. So that's right there, just right here, is 1,000% return on your money. Yeah, just goes to show. People who can pay attention and can trade late in the day can make some good money. But generally, that's not what we're looking for. Looking for something that's a higher time frame, that's more adequately showing the pattern that we want, and makes it easy to trade. So yeah, I don't really see anything like that except for right there. I don't really. What is this? So it's kind of a pattern that like close, but Now haven't really seen anything. So this one here, so this is close to the double top, and the downside divergence that lasted for a little bit. So I don't know, but anyway, that's all there is for today. Not too much activity considering Fed spoke and nobody really gave it too much credence. So talk to you later. Have a nice night.